Hi, this is Dustin with Epic Motorsports. Today we're going to be installing a set of crash bars from Suspect Stunt parts on a 2025 ZX6R. So first thing, you don't necessarily need to take all the fairing off. Just have enough wiggle room to where you can get your motor mount bolt out. You will have to take a 1/2-inch drill bit and drill out the pivot bolt for the ball thread to fit all the way through the swing arm. All right, so I'm going to be installing the right-hand side crash bar first. I'm going to be using this M10 by 14 replacement bolt for the motor mount. Then to kind of hold it in place, we'll put the all thread through the pivot bolt. I'm just going to leave these a little bit loose, so have a little bit of room. You'll need a 14mm socket and a ratchet. What we'll do next is install the brace bars. The nice thing is we can kind of set that in there. You will need a 3/8 Allen wrench. Like I said, I just want to install all the stuff loose. So you will have to remove the stator cover guard and this little bracket. Because that will be in the way for the crash cage. Make sure you put the stator cover bolts back in. To be truly honest, you really don't need to have this on there anymore anyway with having the crash cage.
Now you can start snugging all your bolts up. Then I would go back and tighten all your motor mount bolts after you get your crossbars tight. And you can take a 19mm and snug up your pivot bolt. There it is. Now you'll just put all your plastics back on and you have a stunt cage.